Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Snapchat account log. For example, if you click on Snapchat and try to log in into your account and they are saying your account has been logged and you are not able to log into your account, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open a new browser, which may be Chrome, and here what you have to do, you have to simply open a new tab here, and here you have to simply search for Snapchat Sport. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on Snapchat Sport, and here you have to simply search for locked account, so that they can try to tell you what are the solution for it. So here you have to click on my account is locked, and you have to search again so that they can help you in a better way. Locked account, so you have to click on my account is locked, and after that they will tell you why your account has been locked. There are various reasons why Snapchat accounts may be locked, either temporarily or permanently. We do this to keep our file and safe for everyone, which means if you have violated any kind of community or guidelines of Snapchat, then this kind of error occurs, which means you have done spamming or scams or anything on Snapchat. Your account has been logged. If your account has been permanently logged, which means you have violated community guidelines, so you can simply describe for appeals here. And if you have your account has been temporarily logged, then it will be automatically unlocked via web or by going here. So you can simply select the option your account has been facing. If it is temporarily locked, then you have to click on going here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply do the procedure which they are saying, which means you have to simply connect to your Snapchat account. And after connecting to your Snapchat account, they will ask you about the verification, which means you have to simply log in your account, and after logging your account they will ask you some verification, and your account will be permanently reactivated. If your account has been permanently locked, then you have to click on here, and you have to simply appeal for your account, and there are many reasons for that, and you have to select the reason which is suitable for you, and after that you can simply appeal for your account. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.